POV started with a broken screen and ended with people's trust. Most people think repair technicians get paid to fix phones. That's only true at the beginning. The best technicians aren't paid for the repair. They're paid for the trust. Because anybody can buy tools. Not everybody can earn confidence. You started with a cracked screen, a cheap screwdriver kit, and a device nobody cared about. You weren't running a repair shop. You weren't a professional. You were just trying to figure things out. Level 1. The first repair felt risky. One wrong move could destroy the device. Every successful repair taught you something. Every mistake taught you even more. Skills started forming through repetition. Level 2. Soon people brought their devices to you. Friends first, then strangers, then referrals. The repairs became more complicated. The devices became more expensive. So did the expectations. Level 3. You realized something important. Customers weren't paying for parts. They were paying for certainty. They wanted someone they could trust with valuable problems. Technical skill got their attention. Reliability kept them coming back. Level 4. Years later, the repairs weren't the biggest asset. Your reputation was. People trusted your recommendations. People trusted your diagnosis. People trusted your work before you even touched the device. The trust became more valuable than the repair itself. Nobody notices the first successful repair. Nobody notices the late nights learning. Nobody notices the mistakes you avoided. People only notice after your reputation becomes stronger than your advertising. Most people believe skill creates success. Skill starts the process. Trust multiplies the results. The higher you go, the less valuable the repair becomes. The more valuable the reputation becomes. You thought you were learning how to fix phones. What you were really learning was how to earn trust. The screwdriver opened devices. Trust opened opportunities. Same tools, different leverage.